Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use floating keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Some of you maybe need a floating keyboard for some activities on your device. And then how to activate it. First of all, I'm going to open my keyboard view. And then to use the floating keyboard feature, you can activate it by tapping the following icon. And then here you can select floating keyboard. Okay, and then the floating keyboard will be successfully applied. That's the tutorial on how to use floating keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.